Right, quick review of Coombe Farm organic meat. Apologies to my mate Josh, who's a vegan. I've been trying to go vegetarian, but I've been feeling pretty run down the last few months. Probably because I've got 2 kids. One of them's... We had to go for a PCR test yesterday because Jacob's got a cough again. It's all fun. Yeah, so I'm quickly doing my lunch now. But yeah, back to the... Yeah, have a look at my lunch. It's like pure liver. There's a nice thing you get with it. The literature that comes with it. I like this. So I ordered it on Sunday. It came Tuesday, and it's by the back door.
I'm doing the picture.
Jacob, you okay, mate? Oh, he's got it. You okay?
No.
No, okay. And it good thing is it comes with millions of these ice bags, so I can do me Wim Hof in the bath again. And it's winter now-ish, so I can just leave them outside and then chuck them in my bath in the morning. I spent 40 quid and got free delivery. And I got all that liver. You can't see, but like a load of steaks. And these 2 in here as well, defrosting. And I don't really know what I'm doing when I'm cooking meat, so I'm just gonna leave it and hope it cooks through. I'm told you can pan fry liver in a couple of minutes, but I don't want to risk. Can you get food poisoning from liver? I don't know, but I'll leave it for a while and cut one of them up. Then I guess I'll have to eat all those in the next couple of days. But yeah, it's I was looking at, my mate was on about liver. I got a mate from uni that did sports science with at Loughborough, and he's banging on about basically not going vegetarian, and liver's really good for you and gives you loads of energy, which is what I need at the moment. And so I look at the desiccated liver capsules, and the decent brands like 30 quid, and you can buy like a ruck of them from this Coombe Farm shop, or probably just from your butcher, pretty cheap. So, and these are organic. I don't know, I'm morally torn over it, because any type of farming, well, where my mate lives, you can hear the, and where my in-laws live, you can hear the calves crying when they take away the cows for slaughter. It's a bit, yeah. So I'll reassess when I'm feeling better, and then I'll find out what it is that might be missing that I can get in liver, assuming it makes me feel loads better, or it's B12 or whatever, more bioavailable form, because I do have B12 spray, so I don't know. But yeah, in regards to the company, it's really good. I'm pretty impressed. Came the next working day, so and the quality of the meat looks good. I got free delivery. Minimum order's 40 quid. Yeah, there you go. Have a good day.